First of all, find the best light. If you turn your back onto the main light source, it gives you a more backlit look, which makes your photo look softer and more mysterious, sometimes creating a silhouette effect. For a brighter glow, turn toward the main light source. In this case, it's this garden frame. Plus, good lighting can actually make under-eye circles and shadows disappear. Now for tip number 2, smile like you mean it. Duck lips and kissy faces are cool if you're 16, but at this age, a big, broad, genuine smile will make your photograph look really good. You can practice this in a mirror. And if you naturally don't have a big, broad smile, slightly squint your eyes so that the corners of your mouth lift a little and you have the perfect smile for your selfies. Now that you've got that smile in check, turn your head in various angles to find the ones that work best for you. Notice I'm extending my arm out and up, and I never take photos from below. This way I avoid the dreaded double chin. With selfies, it's all about the angle you hold your camera at. The further away the camera is from your face, the more it will reduce any fisheye effect, where your facial features appear larger than they actually are. See what I mean? Now, look at this. Landscape and portrait. This one takes some testing because some people look better in a landscape while others look better in a portrait. Take a few shots to find out which one works for you. Learn your angles, the good as well as the bad. And try not to scrunch your chin in like this. See here? I'm actually elongating my neck to maintain perfect posture. And remember, work those biceps, keep your arm extended and your camera always at eye level. I know, it can seem like a lot of work to get the perfect selfie, but relax. Selfies are fun. You found your best light, you know how to smile, and you know which angles now work best for you. Now go capture those memories. If you're into social media, go right ahead, share those selfies. But if not, you don't have to. The intention is to always have fun, because if you're not having fun, your selfie will show it.